Embrace nature with rustic accents, stylish ideas for your home. Introduction: Connecting with nature through rustic design. Welcome to the Grand Mansion channel, where we explore the beauty of rustic home inspirations. In today's video, we'll delve into how to embrace nature with rustic accents, turning your living space into a serene retreat that reflects the beauty of the outdoors. If you're passionate about creating a warm, inviting atmosphere in your home, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts on rustic decor. Let's embark on this journey to transform your home into a sanctuary filled with natural charm. The essence of rustic design: understanding the aesthetic. Rustic design is all about simplicity and a connection to the natural world. It draws inspiration from countryside living, featuring raw materials and earthy tones that evoke a sense of calm. The aesthetic often incorporates elements like wood, stone, and metals, giving spaces an organic feel. To truly embrace nature in your home, it's essential to understand how these materials can blend seamlessly to create a cohesive look. Whether it's reclaimed wood furniture or stone accents, every detail plays a crucial role in crafting an inviting atmosphere. By recognizing the essence of rustic design, you can create a space that not only looks beautiful but also feels alive with the spirit of nature. Natural materials, the foundation of rustic accents. When it comes to rustic decor, natural materials are your best friends. Wood is often the star of the show, bringing warmth and character to any room. Consider using reclaimed wood for furniture or accent walls, as it adds history and a unique touch. Stone is another fantastic option, perfect for fireplaces or feature walls. Incorporating these elements not only enhances the aesthetic but also connects your home to the earth. Don't shy away from mixing materials. Combining wood, stone, and metal can create depth and visual interest. Remember, the goal is to evoke the tranquility of nature, so choose materials that resonate with you and harmonize with your existing decor. Color palette, earthy tones that inspire calm. The color palette you choose plays a significant role in how rustic accents will influence your space. Earthy tones such as browns, greens, and muted grays are ideal for creating a soothing environment. These colors mimic the hues found in nature, allowing your home to feel grounded and peaceful. When selecting paint or decor, think about the overall mood you wish to evoke. Soft greens can inspire tranquility, while deep browns may add warmth and comfort. Accent colors, like rust or mustard, can also be introduced to bring life into your design. By curating a thoughtful color palette, you can enhance the rustic charm of your home while ensuring it remains inviting. Furniture selection, embracing timeless pieces. Choosing the right furniture is crucial in establishing a rustic vibe. Look for timeless pieces that showcase craftsmanship and authenticity. Heirloom quality items like a weathered dining table or a cozy leather armchair can become focal points in your home. When shopping for furniture, prioritize pieces made from solid wood or natural fibers. These materials not only enhance the rustic aesthetic but are also durable and functional. Don't forget to incorporate vintage finds or antiques that tell a story. These unique pieces can infuse character into your space and create a sense of history that's hard to replicate with mass-produced items. Textiles and accessories, softening the rustic look. To balance the ruggedness of rustic design, incorporating textiles is essential. Soft fabrics such as linen, cotton, and wool can provide warmth and comfort to your home. Consider adding throw blankets, plush pillows, or area rugs in earthy tones or natural patterns. Textiles can also add layers and depth, making your space feel cozier. Accessories like woven baskets, ceramic pots, or handcrafted pottery can enhance the rustic charm while also serving practical purposes. When selecting accessories, think about how they can complement your existing decor and bring a touch of nature indoors. These small details can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic, making your home feel inviting and relaxed. Incorporating nature, bringing the outdoors inside. One of the best ways to embrace rustic accents is to incorporate elements of nature directly into your home. Houseplants can breathe life into any space, providing color and freshness. Opt for plants that thrive indoors, such as succulents or ferns, which require minimal maintenance. Additionally, using natural elements like branches, stones, or dried flowers as decor can create a seamless connection to the outdoors. Consider placing a vase filled with wildflowers on your dining table or displaying a collection of river stones on your mantel. These natural elements will not only enhance the rustic feel but also serve as reminders of the beauty of the world outside. Setting the mood with natural illumination. Lighting is an often overlooked aspect of rustic design that can greatly affect the ambience of your home. Opt for fixtures that incorporate natural materials, such as wrought iron or wood, to maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Soft, warm lighting can create a cozy atmosphere, making your home feel inviting, especially during the evenings. Consider using pendant lights made from natural fibers or lantern-style fixtures that evoke a sense of nostalgia. In addition, maximizing natural light is essential. Open your curtains and let the sunshine stream in. The interplay of natural light with rustic materials will enhance the beauty of your space, making it feel more connected to the outside world. Conclusion: your rustic journey begins here. As we wrap up our exploration of embracing nature with rustic accents, remember that your home is a reflection of you and your journey. By incorporating natural materials, earthy colors, timeless furniture, and elements of the outdoors, you can create a space that feels both stylish and serene. Take inspiration from these ideas and make them your own, your rustic retreat is just around the corner. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing to the Grand Mansion channel for more inspiring content. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What rustic ideas are you excited to try? Together, let's continue creating beautiful, nature-inspired spaces that bring comfort and joy into our lives.